Michael, the Mercedes guy here, and we're going to do headlight switch. Now, most models from about 1960 to into the 80s have almost identical switches. The later ones, starting in the mid-70s, it's a little bit larger, but still very similar design. Now, the other day, the customer's car, headlight switch isn't working quite right. I reached up in there and pieces fell out. So what happens is there are factory swags, little dimples, that hold this bakelite in place. So what you want to do is check your headlight switch. You can reach up in there and grab it, and if it's loose, in other words, the bakelite loose in the housing, if it's loose, you want to get that headlight switch out of there and mark on a piece of paper all the colored wires, and there's little numbers down in here. They're hard to see, but there's little numbers on each position, and you want to note the color code wire that goes to it. Then get your switch out of there and put it in a vise. You can grab it right under where the nut is. Take the nut off, of course, when you take your switch out. And then this position in a vise, take a very small punch and give each of these swags a hit with a small hammer. And just tighten those up until this is not loose. Then you'll avoid your headlight switch failing and a possible fire, because the hot wire to this switch is not fused.